Okay, today we're on a bridge. We're going from Taipa, which is the southern part of Macau, to Macau proper, which is the northern part. And these bridges separate the two parts of Macau. So, and there's a lot of reclaimed land projects, so we're going to be talking about that right now.
Chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, it's June 22, and we're going to be going over this bridge, and there's the Macau Tower to the right there, and in the distance is Zhuhai, and then you can see quite a few ships that are kind of in this, I don't know if you'd call it a bay, but it's basically this land between the two bridges. And then to the left, you're going to start seeing the reclaimed land. So some of these barges have sand on them, and they drop off the sand, and then they move in construction trains, and then there's people that are kind of working on this pretty much every day, I believe every day. Seems like it. So every time I go across this bridge, I always want to make some, I want to record it, because in the near future, this will all have tall buildings on it. This will just be like nobody would know that this was once in the middle of the ocean. It's basically, ocean salt water in here. And so right there, we're starting to see some of the reclaimed land. And actually, sometimes I think it's kind of unfortunate, because once we get to the end of the video, you'll see this kind of like this running area. You can see some runners that go across the bridge, and then they can just keep going to the right all the way to the other bridge. So there's this beautiful waterfront, and you can view the other bright side of the neon lit sky. There's a crane in the water right there, propped up with the reclaimed land. But they're going to have all those views blocked pretty soon. I mean, hopefully, ideally, they have something else that's similar on the other waterfront, but I don't know how they're going to structure it or how it's going to be set up. But it's important to record it, because someday people will come back and take a look at this, and these videos will be here for a long time, and we'll be able to see what it was like at this particular time. In the distance to the right, that's those tall buildings. That's actually part of Hengqin, part of mainland China right now. And eventually that could turn into the Macau. Okay, here's the waterfront. And anyways, this could be the big, much larger city, but this is the space it is in this captured piece of time. So now we are on the kind of grass. And anyways, hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of what's going on right now in Macau.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.